Hello everyone, welcome to Enchanting Lights. Today I'll be showing you how to do decoupage on candle. For this I have taken a pillar candle. It's a 6-inch pillar candle, 6 by 2. You can take candle of any size, but it should be a bit thicker so that our designs should be visible. And then I have taken this decoupage napkin. I have taken Mod Podge gloss in this project so that I need not give a coat of varnish to this. This is to give the glaze effect. It acts as a sealer, glue, as well as it will give a glossy effect. Then a scissor and a brush. So these are the minimal things which we require for this. So let's start. Mod Podge matte can also be used in this. I have used Mod Podge matte in my earlier projects, but this time I wanted to use this. I want to use this entire design on the candle because the entire design is very pretty. If you want, you can just cut the birds and do painting on the rest of the candle, but I want to use the entire design, so I'll cut this square. It's a 2-ply napkin, so I have separated this layer. And now take your candle, the yellow color which you can see in this candle is basically the color of the fragrance oil. I have taken Mogra fragrance, so that color has come into this candle. It's an aroma candle basically, handmade by me. So let's start sticking the napkin. This way I'll cover the entire design and come back to you. Now I have covered the entire candle with napkin, and this is how it looks. Now it's time to dry the candle. So I have taken this dryer or heat gun and I'll gently we want the design to blend in the candle, so that's why it's doing the drying part as well as the merging part. The candle will melt a bit and design will merge in the candle. Be very careful while using the dryer or heat gun. Please don't burn your hand. how nicely our napkin has merged or blended into this candle. And now I will be removing this excess paper napkin with the help of scissor. Like this. Now if you want, you can just apply a coat of Mod Podge, because as you see, there is no actual need to apply the Mod Podge because the design has merged quite well into the candle. But just to give a glaze or glow to this candle, I will be applying a single coat of glossy Mod Podge on the top. So let's do that. First one. So this is how our decoupage candle looks like after giving the final coat of Mod Podge. And our decoupage candle is now ready. Thank you.